See you last week.
More of the colder times, right?
Yeah.
They're more out and active, yeah.
All right, buddy.
I know.
There we go.
Dimitri, if you hear singing.
All right, I came to fish, not to get my ball fucking bucked.
Dimitri,
Right.
if you hear singing in the middle of the ocean, swim towards it. Do you know what that
The
is?
sirens.
All right, so if your
Yeah.
uncle gets all the way out there and he stops the boat,
And you
I
hear
know this
singing.
is the end, right?
No, and you hear someone singing, calling your name, jump in the
my mom
ocean.
before you throw over.
You know your family, and that's it.
That's all you need, motherfucker.
Right?
That's true.
He's right.
You ain't got no one. Besides food. We're like silverfish, huh?
Yeah, those are minnows. Yep. Silver sides. Here's the idea, guys. Grab like a handful and put them near you.
Yeah,
Just in case. All right, waiting going on. There we go. I'm pretty sure I threw a balloon in my pocket here. Didn't I? Once they start biting, it'll take off.
I lost my bait like fucking 20 times the other day, last week.
Yeah, dude, as soon as they start biting, all them boats over there are attracting them with their chum right now, but we gotta, you know, once we fish for a little bit, they'll start hitting. Jake, yeah, buddy.
Yeah, Jake.
Nice fish, bud. Yeah, there you go.
Bastard.
Definitely not 16, I don't think. Let me double check.
No, we're good.
Yeah. Jake.
Grab a hold of that one.
Oh, they're slippery as hell. Yeah, bring them over here, real quick. So we do the 4 to the 8 is 16 right here. Psh. Yeah.
Fuck, do I get this shit up?
Bring them over here. Bring them over here.
Just let him measure.
Yeah, no, he's
You want to
sure.
help me with the hook? I don't know.
Yeah, here. I got a pair of pliers too.
Yeah, I think that shit's stuck.
Yeah, let me see. Let me see.
You gonna be careful.
Ready?
I am
Yeah.
fucking slipping out of
They're hard to pull out of their mouth. The Tautogs. They got big rubbery lips.
Yeah, you gotta.
There's a let me see. There's a pair of pliers.
Yeah, I wasn't gonna
See
do
you later, bud. There's a pair of pliers right in there. We'll grab them out so that we have them ready. And that's the fish de-hooking tool if you know how to use it.
Dimitri, did you hear me?
Yeah, I was not gonna be able to get that out.
When Uncle
That's all right.
When they got big rubbery lips, I go to the black dude.
Nice one, Jake.
I know, right away. Shit.
First Tautog.
Yeah, Jake. That's
First fish.
So what's the balloon off with? Is that for shark?
That's for shark.
Shark, tuna, whatever it might, maybe a big striper, maybe a big blue, whatever wants it. I got a nice whiting out there.
You said the third.
Could be a mako.
You said the third lane, Uncle?
Yeah, like something like the Centelay, one up I never do the last leg because it breaks the crab too easy. But once they start coming in fucking force. Yeah, I'll kill this. Yeah, I just got my bite. Oh, I got, oh fuck.
Yeah, it's a little hard because of the shell. You gotta just shove that shit through. Be careful, don't stab yourself.
Well, it's easy if you go through that hole.
It won't drop.
It won't drop?
Yeah, it won't drop.
Is it wrapped around the tip of the rod by any chance? Is it wrapped around the rod?
GMC Sierra. It's the truck.
No.
No? Alright, yeah, let me see it.
Just let that shit down.
Still stuck? Yeah, let me see. Just real quick, see what's going on with it.
Like, who catches more? Who catches more?
I was gonna send the fucking snag. See right here.
Fuck, if you catch all 16s,
I don't know how to get that one out. I'm gonna have to re-fucking string it, eh? That's gotta be it though. There you go.
We're putting this on DVD.
Might have to cut the line and redo the hook and sinker to get that out. Ah, shit. I did. Oh, I do have one.
Oh my god, Uncle got one. It's the same fucking one.
Nah. Oh, that one's different. A nice little to tie.
Oh, you hold it by the fins. That's how you do it.
I just pinch him and
yeah, you put your thumb.
get him out.
Yeah, you fucking. What fish was it that has sharp gills?
Sea bass.
Sea bass.
Yeah.
Uncle will see the fish before I do, so he'll know.
I mean, I still grab the sea bass.
I'm just a pussy.
Yeah, you got a man up. All right, so I got a live well. Throw the switch, and then I got one of these air bubbler. I think it's this one. Is that the air bubbler? Look in there, see if that thing's bubbling. Maybe. Yeah?
Yep.
All right. I don't keep like full-size stripers and shit alive. I got like 3 stripers in there. All right, I got a nice little tautog here, and see if he's a keeper. All right, so 4 from there.
Oh, yeah. Oh, no.
no. Nope.
15.
Damn close, but not a keeper.
Damn.
Right there to there.
Yeah.
15 and a half.
Damn.
All right, you go back, buddy. Lucky.
Lucky son of a...
Lucky fish. You were close, but not quite. All right, see you later, bud. Peace out.
Do you want me to tell you when the...
And Jake has a sea bass.
Is this the one with the...
Yep. Let's see him.
You are grabbing it.
Yeah, these got spines on their back right here. That'll really get you. And then they got gill plates that'll puff out. And they got spines on these 2 fins on the bottom too. So you got to just like grab from the top and you pull down like this. See how I pulled down?
Yeah.
Right? Because the spines only go the other way. If you go upward, you get stabbed.
God.
So
Are these keepable or no?
No. Only at 16 and a half.
Okay, yeah, that one's... Get out of here.
Something like that. They're pretty good sized fish to keep one of those. I'm pretty sure it's 16 and a half. And they actually taste pretty good. Dimitri has a fish.
Oh, no.
There you get up? Oh, bring him up, bring him up. You probably have him.
Is it really?
Unless you really think you pulled. Did you get off? I don't know, check it.
Yeah, you cut off.
Yeah, shit.
Fuck, man.
Oh,
What happened?
just kind of food chop that motherfucker.
I didn't do it quick enough.
You know what happens too when the tension, if you release tension, they're going. These things, their mouths are hard.
You should always keep your fucking thumb on the...
Or like just keep reeling. Keep the tension, like if he goes loose for a second, see ya. That's the problem we've been having with these two. Here, Dimitri, you're up. Then if, oh, he brought it in. Nice one, Noah. Now measure it. Measure it. It might be a 15, but it might be 16. Hey. It does look like maybe, I don't know. Maybe it's small, but I'll give it a measure.
Not baby crab.
I don't think so. Maybe. It sure looks like one, huh?
I know, right?
Maybe it is, Jake.
My ass is still red, you know.
So from the 4 to the 8.
Just put the 4 at the lip. Yeah, nah.
Keep in the water, hurry up, Dimitri.
Big.
Yeah, that's a keeper. Nice, Noah.
Ooh.
Yeah, nice one. Measure that sucker up.
I got it. Yeah.
Take a look at that fish.
You want to oh, that's
Yeah.
definitely a fucking keeper.
Yeah, that's a nice one.
That's one we
Yeah, go ahead, measure it up. Don't flip it out of the water. Dimitri, hook him up. Noah is on.
Shit.
Oh, Noah might have a beast.
Oh,
Nice. Yeah.
Look how big that one is.
That's like an 18 at least. Nice one. Yeah, let's get a picture of him. Yeah, Noah.
It was definitely the Naruto fish.
Yeah, it was.
OJ, catch up.
That's the one that keeps on fucking us, Noah. We might be able to catch a fish now or two.
It's gonna be like 20 inches. You think?
Right there, that's a seal. That's his head.
Where?
Right there.
Right there.
That's not a buoy.
I see it. Oh shit.
Yeah, he just swam over.
Alright, fish are starting to show up now. Get the seals here.
All right. He's just popping around. Oh, yeah, fuck.
Uncle got one. The big one, Uncle?
Nah, I don't got him.
No.
Oh, the seal went under. He's fishing with us.
Oh yeah, Jacob, that's 2 keepers, bitch. What? I thought you were talking shit on it earlier. Huh? You got lucky. Lucky, kind of skill. Karate chop it, diagonal. Oh, shot, motherfucker. Put that shit right back
Ah, fuck you.
I need to do this shit while sitting down. I can't do it while standing on the frame.
Seal disappeared.
Oh, wait, no, it's got another one.
Oh, Noah is on.
Yeah.
Noah.
Oh,
Oh, it's a little one. Little one.
No, get it off the mat.
Tag
Take
though.
off the hook. Where'd you put it in the net?
Damn, Noah. He's smoking them.
Yeah, I can't put the fucking crab on standing up. I can do it.
Hold on, Jake. Jake, don't go crazy. Keep the tension. Keep the tension. Fuck. Let out line, Noah. Hurry up. Let out line. All right.
Oh
all
my
right.
god. Holy
Jake, nice fish, buddy. Jake's gonna keep it.
fuck.
All right, bring it over there. Throw it on the floor.
Come here, bitch.
Throw it on the floor.
I'll help you, bro.
Yeah, you help Jake and measure that fish.
You're gonna have to untangle that now. Because I let out too fast.
I got your boy here.
Oh, yes,
Ow.
sir, Jake.
Alright, you know what? I'm done fishing. I'm just helping.
No, you're good.
No, I'm fucking everything up.
No, you might catch the biggest fish of the day. That's what happened to Noah last time. No, I need help though.
Go help your own.
Just nearly 17. It's like
Yeah, it's
16 3/4.
nice. Nice one.
Still beating me by half an inch. Fuck.
By a quarter of an inch.
By quarter of an inch. Nice.
Dude, I fucking felt that shit. I was like, oh, this is a big.
Nice fish, Jake.
You need help?
Oh, we need to get this thing.
I don't know why the fuck you would help.
That's all right. There you go. That's all right. It worked out.
You'll catch one.
Yeah, reel up. It's all right. It's real. Oh shit, you're all tangled up. Yeah, on. Ready?
I just don't have balance.
So,
No, it's all good. Do you want to switch spots?
so you keep it so it doesn't over, so it doesn't over tangle. Keep your thumb on it tight.
Yeah.
And pull through the tightness like that.
Oh, okay.
All right,
No,
and then what
you
it does
gotta
is it
switch
pulls
spots real
back on some of the
No,
loop.
I'm gonna then take your rod.
Like that, because it'll go all the way back to the beginning of the rod again. See how it's loosening again like
Yeah.
that? Just keep it
No.
tight, pull, like that, boom.
No.
All right, now here, reel that slowly. Reel that slow. I'll keep the tension.
Taking my fucking bait.
Go, go, go.
That's
All right, now
three
you're gonna pick up the
keepers,
speed.
3 keepers. How many
All
can we
right,
have?
reel in like you just caught it. It's gonna be the, and that'll put the tension back on the line.
Forgot the fish was still on.
There you go. All right, nice. Bring him back.
Oh, fuck.
We'll let it go real fast. Boom.
Is that his
Buddy,
gut
I got you.
coming out?
Nah. There you go, bud. Psh.
Dimitri, where were you putting
All
your
right,
fish?
grab up.
Perfect.
All right, so we're 3 in, right?
Yeah.
Give it to Noah. Here, no. Get Dimitri. Yeah, nice. That's a close one. It might be small, but it might be, I don't know.
I told you, Dimitri.
That's a close one, Dimitri. Nice one, dude. It's a nice fish. I give him a measure. I mean, he's looking like he might be 15. Might be just an inch shy. I'd still check it out. You never know.
Good shit, Dimitri. This shit brought you to your knees.
It's a decent fish.
I have zero balance. Anything that I catch today will bring me to my knees.
That's all right.
Hopefully you don't catch a monster then.
Not bad, buddy. Nice.
Where's the...
Yo, hopefully you don't catch a monster. No, no, you got it all wrong. Hopefully he does catch the monster.
Well, it might bring them into the water.
Yeah.
I mean, that's good for your business. Never mind, black sea bass.
Wanna grab that one? 'Cause it's all
Yeah.
sharp and shit.
Well, actually, I can't do it right now.
That'll cut.
Here, well, fuck it. Here, what's that? Bring it.
You can't use those. So not the pliers.
Yeah, you wanna know?
Oh, you doing still fish with that or not?
Nah, I swap it. Just, yeah, throw a new one on.
Look, and it's a new name, my crap. I could tell that it was small.
That's what she
Shit
said.
had no weight. Didn't you cut a decent amount too? We're going through these motherfuckers. Alright, Dimitri, you ready to start cutting?
Stop it. I was gonna say I'm gonna need to cut some then.
Jacob, you're next, bitch.
I'll cut right now if you want me to.
You want to help him?
And there's only one pair of
No, you're better off to let one person cut so that as much bait is in the water all together at the same time, so that you got we're constantly chumming. Constant chum slick.
Oh, you need any more?
Yeah, I'm gonna need some crabs, yeah.
Don't worry.
You can pay
You've been getting
Yeah, you can pay for crabs
You've been
easy.
getting some bites, just not the right ones.
Yeah.
Damn, that one's foaming at the mouth.
Is it?
Yeah.
Some fucking Mortal Kombat shit.
Is this half a crab that you didn't use, Dimitri? It is.
That's like blasphemy.
There's half a crab right here you didn't fucking use. Probably not.
Because he wants to. Alright.
Now, Rudolph fish,
Did I put that on?
Yeah, get that motherfucker.
Whoa, you big man. Bit me, you fucking stabbed me, asshole.
Yo, nice sea bass. Bring it this way. It looks like a keeper black sea bass, yeah.
Oh, hell yeah.
That's a nice black sea bass. Measure it up, 16.5. That's a nice sea bass, dude.
Is that you know?
Yeah, no, I know it's fucking slaying today.
Yeah.
Nice sea bass, buddy. Alright, so this one is the same thing, close the mouth to get the measurement and to the, not to the longest point of the tail.
Oh, pull that, Jake.
No, I definitely didn't get it.
Nice fish. Measure up bottom.
Might be in the rock.
That looks like the bottom to me.
No, it's not pulling your it's not pulling your line. You're in the rock.
Yeah, release.
Release your wire.
Like let a little tension out. It's the drag. Loosen your drag a little bit. That's the easiest way, is to loosen the drag.
Oh, what the fuck?
Just lift it up. There you go. He might still have the fish. He's got it. No, Dimitri, reel.
No.
He got it out of the rocks. It was hiding in the rocks on him.
Come on, Dimitri, you got this.
Yeah, you got this, buddy. Oh, in the net. In the net. In the net. Nice. It looks like a keeper.
Dimitri,
It's
I think
damn
you got
close.
a keeper. Hell yeah, motherfucker. On the floor.
Nice, guys. All right.
Lift it up
See
out
ya.
of the net.
Well, yeah, drop them on the floor.
Yeah. Don't lift it over the boat.
Push the net.
You're gonna
And
fucking
then-
drop
alright.
him back in the ocean.
Oh, I think
That's
that's
another nice one. It's right on the verge if it's a keeper. So measure it up, check it out. If it's too small, throw it. All right, there he goes.
Keep it at the top of the water. Don't pull it out.
Oh, that's a keeper. Keep it, get it. Oh no, Dimitri, don't yank. Yeah, buddy, yeah, you gotta keep it. Nice one.
This is a wicked big one.
Jake just gave you that bike. He just jinxed himself by saying Dimitri's catching the big one.
I said it.
Look at that beast. There's no denying that one. Look at that.
That motherfucker.
That's 18. Come in the middle. Here, hop in the middle. Noah, hop in the middle. Yeah, get off the side of the boat. Come on this side. All right. Yeah, let me get a shot of it. Dimitri. Look at that fish, buddy.
Yes, sir, Dimitri.
That's a beast.
That's a big one.
Yeah, dude. Give him a measure.
Alright, what up? You like the rumples? You like this guy? Yeah, I caught another
Beast.
Yeah, this one's huge.
Yeah, we gotta measure it first.
17, 18.
18 inches.
Probably 5 pounds. Quick. Keep on. All right, Jake. Oh, it's a nice. Oh, come on, bring it in. Nice sea bass.
Oh, I think that might be a keeper.
It might be.
Yeah, that's close.
It's real close. I don't know. This might be a 15 and a half or a 16. Here, hold on a sec.
Yeah, pat down and move the...
Okay, ready?
Yeah.
All right.
Yeah, get the black fish
Okay. Ready? Okay. So I'll put the floor right to this. Oh, careful, careful.
You want gloves?
No. Okay. So to his bottom lip and go down the side, not over the arch. Yep. There, bud. Come on. Come on. See those gill plates? They open. They're hard. They'll cut you.
Yeah, it looks like razor blades.
Yeah. That's what they'll do to you too. Okay. So the 4 from over here. Yeah, right there. It's a 7. Nope. He goes back.
Ah,
Okay.
close.
All right, ready?
15.
But we're gonna just throw you right back. And he's out.
It's fine, I grabbed it right now.
Yeah, you see? So we got 5 fish in there. Right?
That motherfucker dead.
Nope, not yet.
It doesn't matter.
Noah is on.
Oh, that's
It's mad close. Nah. I don't know, I still check it, but it's either 15 or 16. It might be. Got jacked again, real fast.
Somebody bend down.
Alright. Alright. Yeah, buddy. It's a fighter. I would say that's definitely a keeper.
Yeah.
It's a beast. You ready? Oh yeah. Alright, I need that tape measure. Come here, bud. Let me pull this out of his face first. There, hooks out. Fish down. Alright, tape.
Yeah, this is definitely a keeper.
I think so. Well, let's see. 4. Oh yeah.
Oh, yeah.
17
17 and a half?
17 and a half.
Hell yeah.
Nice. Nice keeper. Slowly over this way. Bring him this way. No, 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 no. Oh. Holy shit. Oh, you ripped it right out of the water, dude.
I didn't even realize it was that high up.
That's what I was saying. Slow down, slow down.
Oh.
Whatever. That was a nice one. That's all fish.
Fuck.
Yeah, stripes, stripers. No, it's on. Oh, no, I don't lose them. You know the deal. Bring them just to the surface and get them in the net. Yeah, buddy. Yeah, buddy. All right, walk them back.
Is it a keeper?
It might be. It's damn close.
What is it?
It looks 16 to me. I'm not gonna lie to you. I would definitely get a good measurement on that one. Yeah, buddy.
Chill out, bro. Well, you did just fucking out of it. Shouldn't have ate my food.
No.
There we go, it's like 6.5.
Alright, toss him. Toss him back. Scoop! Yeah! That's a beast!
Yeah,
Look
holy
at that!
shit. That might be the 21.
It might be. Alright, let's bring him up forward and see. Move this rod.
That might be the 21. Holy
That is
shit,
a
look how
beast.
big that motherfucker is.
That motherfucker's been eating all of our bait today. That's why he's so big.
Yeah, that's a big one.
I'll go caught the fucking Naruto one.
Yeah, dude. I think so.
Here we go.
Alright, let's check this out.
Dude, that
See
gun
if that's right. Alright, alright, here we go. Ooh, baby. It's a big one. Alright.
How big is that beauty? Oh, hold it down.
Oh, hold on. Right there. Four to two. Over.
22. Isn't that what I caught yesterday?
Wait, is that 22?
Yeah, because what? That's so 16,
16,
17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22.
Yeah, it's a 22.
That's the same one I caught yesterday. Oh my.
Nice, dude.
Yes.
Yeah, that's our big one.
There we go. There we go, Uncle.
22 inch. Nice.
All right, so what? So now that's what, 6 to Tautog?
Yeah.
Yep.
One block there.
Yeah, we're up to 6 keepers now.
Yep. 6
Look,
to
he's got a
Tautog.
hook in his mouth. Look at this.
Is that the one that?
Look at this.
Wait, that's your hook.
Yeah. Look
Wait,
at.
this is the one I had hooked.
It might be. This one already has a hook in its face.
Yeah, I think he's a hungry bastard.
Nice. We got a huge swarm of gulls.
You want to pull up the anchor?
Now the stripers are around. They're all over the fish finder. The gulls are searching for the bait that the bass are pushing. To that, bud. Right here. Noah's on. Nice one. Yeah. Oh, it definitely looks like a keeper. There.
What is it, Noah?
Right there.
Yeah.
It's like Noah's keeper.
Oh, a keeper?
It sure looks like it. I would definitely measure it, but it's gonna be 15 or 16. It's like right there again. Oh, I got one too.
Oh, wait.
Yeah, I got another one. No problem. Oh, look at this. What is this? It's a little one. I got it.
Got it.
Yeah, it's a little one. What is this? Come
I'll
on.
have to meet you measure.
You're hanging out with all them big ones? You're crazy. Alright.
He was like, I was a ninja, actually.
Yeah, he's the ninja, yeah. Alright, help us. Good enough without hurting him. And he's gone.
Think you got one?
Oh, Jake is on. Oh, Jake, that thing? Nah, he doesn't need the net. You got that, Jake.
Oh, is it one that's like one?
Doesn't matter, you got it. That one's so small.
Oh, that was a spike.
That not a keeper?
No, this red.
Alright.
What is that, right?
Oh, just throw that back. That's normal for them.
Wait, no, wait. We didn't
We
measure
didn't
it.
weigh it. I 21.
Yeah, always go from the lip back. It's the easiest way.
Remember, the line of number 4 has to be at the top of the lip.
Yeah.
Yeah. 16 and a half.
It's 16 and a half.
Yep.
Keep it. All right.
Oh, yep, 16.
All right.
There we go.
Double check that one. Double check that. You said 16?
No, it was 16.
Okay,
I thought
alright.
it said 16 and a half the first time, then he
shit, that
remeasured it, and it was like right over 16. Like,
Okay.
That shit's sharp.
All right, good.
Put my glove on for that. I wasn't fucking touching that one.
Yeah, I mean, if you need the glove, and that's all right, I
No,
guess.
I am not getting cut by a fish today.
I don't bust on you too bad.
No,
I don't mind touching the fish, but I'm not getting cut by it. Don't put it in the water.
16 and a quarter or something. Oh, that's alright. 16 is the keep, so. As long as you're over that.
Oh, no fucking way.
What, you stuck? Well,
Go away.
well, remember, let it loose. See if the tautog comes back out of the rocks. And then,
Bait, but...
yeah, you got it back, right?
Oh, I got the bait back too.
Yeah, nice, man. Nice. Someone's about to catch one. He definitely wants to rest. Oh no, you're on!
No!
No!
Oh, no.
That was close. Oh shit.
That's crazy. If I didn't come fishing today, I would still be...
You'd still be asleep?
Oh, 100%.
What time we got right now? 9:30? Yeah, that's not bad. I mean, we didn't even come out. We didn't really come out that early.
No, I've never heard of 10 on 10 before. That's a new one. Alright, I caught a lot of crabs. What's up, Ashley?
Pretty much as it hits the bottom. Boom, boom.
I love how they're trying to crawl away when I have their other half of their legs. Oh, you guys are so cute.
Ah, damn. There's an aggressive one down there.
So you think this is enough? I should cut up a little bit more. Cut up just a little bit more. And we should be fine. That should last us a little bit.
Yeah. Yeah, a striper. You're gonna come up with like a giant striper.
You're gonna get a swordfish.
Yeah, swordfish. That'd be pretty fun.
More now, or you think
No, it's on.
I don't think it's that big, though. I should have taken that.
Yeah, small one.
How many more we get to keep? 3, I think? Yeah, we have
We're allowed 10. We have 7 what, altogether, or 7 tautog?
7 tautog.
Okay, so we got 3 more. And no more over 21. Jake's got a pretty decent little sea bass. Throw back. There, nice. Good job taking it off.
Yeah. I was trying to do it with my hands.
Yeah, way easier that way. Alright, straighten the net out. Nice. Nice one. Alright. I mean, that's looking like 8 keepers now, if that's 16, but...
I think that's at least.
Yeah, it's looking pretty decent size.
Then we should have it to measure.
There, pull that. Jake, can you hand me those pliers?
Pliers? Got it.
Yeah.
How big is it?
We didn't measure it yet.
About to find out.
Oh shit, yeah, that's definitely deeper.
Alright, take that. Alright. Hey, watch this one. Thanks. Okay, let's see. I hope so. Looks close anyway.
Stop flopping around your back.
Yeah, right? Need to straighten them out a little bit. 4, 2.
Oh, that's a keeper.
Oh, yeah, 17. Alright.
I saw the 8 at the fucking
Good
door,
fish.
so I was like, yeah, watch out.
Nice. 17.
Yeah. Got one? Oh, is it a big one, Dimitri?
Dimitri's on.
He's at the surface of range.
Here, yeah, let's see. Now we lose him.
Yeah.
He's off. Don't overexcite.
Oh, it's pulling my line.
Yeah, you got a good one, man.
Oh.
Don't lose him, don't lose him.
No, no.
No!
Yes, sir.
There you go. That's a keeper for sure.
Feeding uncle. No, no.
That is a keeper.
That's not 22.
No, it's not a
22
beast.
looks different.
Yeah.
You can tell.
Alright, let's measure this one. Let's see.
Alright, one more to thought then.
Alright, so from the 4. Oh yeah. 17.
17?
Yep.
Yes, sir.
Good job. Nice fish, bud. Nice. That's a nice one.
5 keepers.
That's 9 fish.
Yep, yep.
Alright, we're up to 9. One more Tautog.
4 to Todd.
And 1 sea bass right now.
Oh, yeah.
Nice Tautog. Alright, ready? Get the net in the water. Oh, yo. It's a strong one. Yo, fuck. Alright, ready? Here he comes.
Oh, yeah.
Boom. Beast.
That's a keeper.
Yeah, but it might not be.
No.
That we better check it though. Make sure it's within the 22 or the 21. I mean.
Oh, yeah.
So.
I don't think it's that big.
Nah, maybe it's 18. But let's just make sure.
Where's
Here, watch out. I'll put this rod down for a second.
I don't have it. That's
It's right there.
somewhere.
It's right there.
Oh, it's right here.
Nice fish.
Yes, sir.
Alright, let's check them out. See what kind of size we're dealing with.
What's the GoPro for? Just because it's videos on YouTube.
Yeah. And
17?
it's 17. Oop, hold on.
17 and a half?
Oh.
Oh,
To the 10.
18 and a half.
18 and a quarter. Yeah, half, yeah. 18 and a half. Nice one. Oh yeah, anyone have the pliers?
Dimitri, the pliers are up there, if anything. You guys were using it for the last fish. Where did Noah put it?
You guys see the pliers?
Oh,
right underneath that rod right there.
Oh.
Thanks.
You can definitely tell when we're recording.
Alright, got that hook out. Alright. It's a nice one. Oh, I need to see that net, please.
Oh.
That's okay. Here. That's the easiest way to get them in the boat into the cooler. Alright. Now, it's like this. Into the net. Alright, and this is number 10 for Tautog. With
hit it faster last time or this time?
no, it's about the same. This was number 10 with one that was over 21 out of the 10, and the one nice keeper black sea bass. Look at this beast. That's the big one right there. Look at him, he's huge. Look how big he is. He's a monster.
We had a couple 20.
There's the black sea bass.
20 inches though last time.
Alright. Yeah, if it's well. Alright.
We had quite a bit though. We did use quite a bit. Yeah,
so
more this time, to be honest.
We
way less left.
We got our limit. We did. Yeah, it's awesome. Awesome.
Yeah.
All right. Well, I'm gonna hook up and we'll try to catch a couple stripers on the way back or whatever.
Yeah. Going for that.
All right. All right. Somebody Jake, anchor. And our big one.
Enjoy the melodies. After all, music soothes even the savage beast.
Big beast it's
Is that gross?
Yeah, this juice is gonna be gross.
Hey!
Right.
You.
Alright, here we go, beastie. Fillet this. Come up here. Okay. Follow the rib. Spine. All the way up. All the way. Come to there. Follow that bone. These guys are so hard. They're so slippery.
Are we over and back to your house or my house? Are we over and back to my house or your house? Oh yeah, because I have my shit there. What?
Why would we go to yours?
Oh, you're right. Oh yeah, your ass.
Alright. Get right in there. It takes a minute, but it comes out really good. Just follow the contour of the bones. Alright, one's out. Alright, that's a nice fillet. Beautiful fillet. All bone. Alright, now skinning. Okay. Alright, so down in. Back pinch. And slightly pull. Not too much so that it wrinkles the skin. Alright. Beautiful piece of meat there. No skin on it. It's a really nice piece.